Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix automatic repair loop in Windows 11 or 10. It's really simple and easy. So when you are on this screen, you want to click on advanced options. If you can't see this screen, then you have to turn off your computer and then turn it back on 3 times. Turn it off and turn it on from the power button, and then it should take you into this screen. Now you have to click on advanced options, and then you have to click on this troubleshoot, then click on advanced options again and click on command prompt. Now once you are on this, we are going to type in a bunch of commands. The first one is going to be C colon, click on enter. Then we have to type here cd/windows/system32/config. You can pause the video and check what I am typing, and then you have to type here md space backup. Click on enter, and then we have to type in copy space star dot star and space and backup. Click on enter. Then you have to type cd regback. Click on enter. Now you have to type copy space star dot star double dot and then type A and click on enter. Just simply close this out and then your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to fix automatic repair loop in Windows 10 or 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.